Hey guys, and I'm testing out this new screencast-o-matic, and I thought the best game would be Roblox, and I'm gonna play Bear. And I sadly can't record your game sounds, I guess. But I'm a smart aleck like I am. Put out my headset. My headset plays the music of the game inside it. So it'll be recording the sounds and it's going to turn it on. Oh, that's a creepy noise. Wow. Turning that down. This is a scary game. Oh, there's the bear. There's the bear. There's the bear. There's the bear. I'm gonna hide right here. Is he gone? He's gone. There's these cracks in the wall. Oh, no. Is he a good bear? Stop chasing me. What are you doing? You're not even chasing me. Are you on mobile? I think this guy's on mobile. You're a bad person to chase. Like, come on. Come at me. You're not even scary. I'm actually chasing you. I know that's a dead end. I'm not dumb. Are you gonna... Okay. Deal. Ah! No. There he is. You can't get me. I wish I had Naruto running. Ah! Where are we going? I'm running for my life. Ow! That's not nice. I don't want to give you cheese. Okay, I'll give you cheese. I'm gonna find some cheese for you. This is really actually scary now. When I saw people play, it wasn't that scary. Now it's actually getting scary. Because there's a cute, cuddly bear chasing you. It's not something scary. I already know that. I'm going the wrong way. I need to find cheese. Oh, puzzle. I can do this. I'm good at puzzles. I can still hear that stupid cheese guy. Be quiet! I swear, this guy doesn't be quiet right now. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna move in 1 minute. If you just be quiet for like 5 seconds. Oh my goodness, okay there. Whew. So now I just gotta wait. Okay, we're almost done, just gotta wait. I'm gonna wait and we'll be all safe and I win the game. That's weird. Please, I only have 5 seconds. I'm not in the mood to go down there. Ah, that's so creepy. I don't like that. Oh, okay. I wonder if it's copyrighted. Well, YouTube hasn't copyrighted me yet. If they do, then I guess so. I want this map. I want this one. Intermission. This one. I want to do Haunted Mansion. Because it's less scary. Well, lab I haven't done. You know what? I'm doing lab. I'm pretty sure it's like a rare one that nobody really does. I wonder if I'll be bear. Oh, there goes the Wii music. I'm pretty sure that isn't copyrighted anymore since they straight up discontinued it. Stop with that creepy noise. Really. Okay, let's... there's the cheese guy. Better not be up here. This is cool. Haven't been in this map. What's the puzzle? Because if you're reading the thing, you are survivor. You must complete puzzles to reduce timer. And if you read up here, survivors must survive the bear for the full time limit, but we can reduce that timer by doing these puzzles. If everybody was paying attention here. Just so everybody knows. So we gotta do this quick. We're almost done. I don't know if this is actually spells out anything, it's just a puzzle. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're reducing. Oh, no, that actually scared me. No, stop. What? Game over. Can the bear leave? Okay. No, okay. Yeah. Oh, wait, Roblox can't play copyrighted music, right? So this is good. I'm gonna go the hard way instead of those big blockies. This is a pretty easy parkour. There we go. Ah, come on, I was gonna finish it. Oh, no way! I've never been the bear! Oh, dang, that like jump scared me for a moment. Wow. I probably should put a warning, but can't really edit this. Yeah, I have the early beta suit. Wait, I know where I'm at, I think. If I'm correct. Should be. Yeah. So this is where the cheese guy is. And that's where that puzzle is. So we have to go down here. And then we go around here. Down here is where... Where? There you are. Hey, I'm coming for you. Abu! I'm gonna kill you! Woo! You're dead. Is this... what's over here? Abu! I'm gonna kill you! Yeah! You're dead. You're all dead! You trapped me now! I'm a big scary bear! Get back here! Touch him! You turn! There's 4 survivors left and I'm gonna kill you! As a scary bear I am! Abu! You're dead! Okay, 3 survivors! Whoa! I'm a scary bear! This is fun. I like this. Probably sound crazy and all, but this is a big map and I don't think I'm gonna find anybody here. Oh. Big scary bear found you! This is the starting room song. Makes sense. I think I'm the only scary thing, so I'm not kind of afraid anymore, even though it's the same exact map. Aha! How did I know there would be somebody back here? I'm a scary bear! There's only 1 person left! There's no way I'm gonna find one person in this big entire map. I was lucky to even find that person. 2 minutes. Oh, the puzzle. That puzzle over there. What if I click shift? Just changes my game mode. That puzzle we saw. Is this cheese? No, it's a person! Ah, I won! I won! I've never played as Bear and I win as my first time. Bear has won! Bear has won! Woo, victory! Oh yeah, oh yeah. I know I'm worth it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Here we go now. I don't care if this music is copyrighted. Oh yeah, let's go. I win as a survivor. I win as a bear. There's literally nothing else I should do. Wait, I want to vote for a map. Mansion. We need mansion. Because there's one objective I need to do. There's like 3 badges. Alpha stage badge, where you have to play in the alpha, which is right now. And then the 2 other badges are be as survivor and be as bear. And there's one last badge. There's 4 badges, and this is the last badge I'm going to show you. So, alpha badge, survivor badge, bear badge, and this is the secret last badge I haven't, that nobody really cares about. This is really dark. I do not like it, but I'll show you where the final badge is. You know what I hate is some of the skins. Some of the skins can be like scarier than I never read that. I don't care. So what you do is come in here and bam! The final and last badge is do the brew. And you've completed the entire badge selection. It's supposed to turn your head big, but I don't know why it's not turning mine big. Maybe I just have a big brain. But really, yeah. I could hide in here all day. So I've basically beaten Bear. All in one video, even though I've completed some of it before. I want to get out. Come on. I want to complete that puzzle with my friend. It's scary. I hear all these like screams and noises. There. Let's go. We completed it, everybody. The timer's been reduced. Or like slowed down or speed it up. Speed it up. That makes more sense. Come on, guys. What are you guys doing? Don't ask about my green face. Stop with the screaming. Oh, what's this? Beep. It's a button. I hate these screams. Oh, you guys, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. Gah! I wish I could hear what I'm saying when I'm literally pointing to the exit. Ooh, this is creepy water. Water creepy. Me no like creepy water. Basically need to survive this. Wait, there's a cheese in the mansion. I can give that cheese guy the cheese. But I don't know where the cheese guy is. But I know where the cheese is. I used to remember. I should at least get the cheese, so. Somewhere in this house. I think it's upstairs. I don't know. It's always in the house. If you're looking for cheese. Unless you're in that big maze thing. It's not in that house. There is no house. Oh my goodness. This is super scary. I found the cheese. I'm just ignoring all the sounds. I literally hear it all, and yeah, it's creeping me out. Anyways, I got the cheese. I'm gonna go and find this cheese guy. All these noises are so creepy. So warning. Oh, there's a tree falling over. Ooh, what's in here? Please be the cheese.